Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, and around back. We've got a rear spoiler. We've got our C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. Also comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, a natural oak wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera. This is displayed on a 10.25 high resolution monitor. We've got dual climate controls, hard keys, wireless charging station, USB port, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 7,102 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.